Welcome to Know the Facts, Get the Vax, a series by Africa Check to help you evaluate COVID-19 health claims, quacks and cures. The COVID-19 vaccine saves lives. It's the best way to protect yourself, your family and your community. In this series, you will learn more about COVID-19 and the different vaccines available, how they were developed and how they work, and how to understand and use important healthcare information. When a virus or disease is present in our communities, the easiest way to fight it is to work towards immunity. Immunity is the body's resistance to invasion of harmful microorganisms such as a virus. This occurs when our bodies recognize an invasive organism and activate antibodies that defend our healthy cells against attack. It can occur naturally if we are healthy enough to fight the infection, or with the help of a vaccine if the virus is too strong for our bodies to fight on its own. When we achieve immunity, it means that we lower the possibility of transmission and the chances of a virus becoming stronger. In this episode, we'll take a look at both natural and vaccine immunity to understand the difference between them and learn about which one is more effective. Natural and herd immunity are two types of immunity that we can develop without medical support. Natural immunity is when our bodies are already capable of fighting an infection on their own. Herd immunity is when a large portion of a population becomes infected, recovers, and ultimately develops antibodies that makes it easier for them to fight off infections. While these two types of immunity will strengthen your immune system, they might not be able to fight off other versions of infections, and the risk of serious or fatal illness is high. You might be wondering why it's important to get vaccinated if natural and herd immunity exist. The reality is that while your immune system will always do its best to defend your health, some infections are tougher to beat than the others. And this certainly is the case here with COVID-19. Immunity for some infections rely on treatments like vaccines to overcome. Vaccine immunity is when a treatment is used to teach the body to develop antibodies that makes it easier for them to fight off infection. Vaccine immunity offers protection from the spread of infection by introducing your body to the virus and strengthening its defense against it without you needing to get sick and risk what an illness can do to your body. Because of how quickly COVID-19 mutates into a new variant, and because of how much our bodies struggle to fight this infection on their own, vaccine immunity is the only reliable way to beat the COVID-19 pandemic. So the faster we achieve vaccine immunization, the faster we can ensure the safety of ourselves and community around the world. That's a wrap on this episode about natural versus vaccine immunity. Share these tips with your friends and family and tune into the next episode of Know the Facts, Get the Vax, in which we'll be explaining how the new mRNA vaccine works and what the side effects are.